Everyone is talking about AI in hiring, but what about AI in a resume writing? Instead of spending hours figuring out the right format, keywords, and layout tips, you can now generate a full recruiter ready blog about resume in minutes, and let me show you how. This one, for example, a complete article on resume writing for 2025 with SEO structure, images, with proper headlines, and if you scroll down, you'll find relevant YouTube video, FAQs that people are already asking in Google. And I did not write this myself. It was done in under 3 minutes on autoblogging.ai did it for me, and let me show you how. After you log in, on your left panel, there are different modes like quick, wizard, single, bulk generate. I'm going to go with wizard because it lets you adjust every detail step by step without needing to memorize the setting. Article title, I'm entering the resume format recruiters love in 2025. Sorry. This tells the AI exactly what the blog should focus on. Next, for the language, I'm going to keep it English, but Autoblogging supports 30 different languages, so if your audience prefers Spanish, French, or German, you can switch instantly. Next, for the length, I'm keeping it long because resume advice needs detailed and explanation guides. But here's what others do. Short is for like a quick read, like a small tips or update, and medium gives a balanced detail without being too long. For the type of article, I'm going to choose informative since I want to explain resume formats step by step. Here's what other options do. Listicle is which breaks content into numbered tips like 5 resume mistakes to avoid and 10 best ways to create a resume. Just that's an example. Places is which for location based content like top resume service in New York. And service bar landing pages is which is ideal if you run a resume writing business and want a promotional page. So informative. Next, I'm going to keep it second person here so the blog speaks directly to the reader, but you can also choose first person which works for your own personal experience, and third person for more neutral and editorial type. So second person. Next, for the writing style, I'm going to pick auto, which adapts the writing style based on our particular topic. But here's what other style do. Less AI words makes the writing flow more natural. Premium style 1 is designed with SEO formatting in mind. Snippet optimizer is it helps your article show up in Google's answer boxes. Conversational is more friendly approach. Witty is more playful and adds a casual touch to your content, and professional is more polished and a B2B content. Next, here I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Intent optimized article. It makes sure that your article has SEO friendly structure with keyword rich headings. FAQs will automatically include questions that people are already searching online, and AI images will generate visuals for your blog and adds alt text for SEO. And infographics create a visual summaries like checklist or charts to make the article easier to scan. Next, SERP analysis. This is one of the most important steps. SERP analysis scans the top ranking article on Google for your particular topic. It studies what makes those blogs rank first, like their structure, their flow, their headings, and then shape your article in a similar way so it can compete. So you just have to enable this and quickly leave a note here that how you want your article to be. You can also select the country where you want to rank first. Here I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Outline from competition uses proven layouts from articles that are already ranking. External link will add references to credible sources, which improves authority and trust for your blog. Key takeaways will add a short summary box at the end of your blog, which is perfect for readers who just want the highlight. And YouTube video will add a relevant video to your blog to keep the readers engaged for longer. Next, AI proofreading. Before this article is finalized, the AI runs a proofreading pass. You can always enable this and quickly leave a note here. So it checks the grammar, adjusts the tone, and smooths out the flow so the blog is ready to publish without that extra editing. Next, internal linking. Now this feature saves a lot of time. If you already have other blogs on your website like a cover letter tips or common resume mistakes, you can just enable this and quickly leave your domain here. Autoblogging.ai will automatically link the right keywords in this new article to your older post. This way readers stay on your site for longer and your SEO improves because your content is all connected. Next, human proofreading. Now this is optional, but if you want an extra polish, You can just enable this and quickly leave a note here, like check the facts or refine the tone or make sure everything fits your brand voice. So for this, you will require a human proofreading credits, which you can purchase anytime from your dashboard. Now just hit on generate article, click on the history tab, scroll down and wait for the view like icon here. Click on that. There you go. Your complete blog is ready with images, headlines, infographics, and even YouTube video and FAQs added at the end of your blog. If next time you don't want to go step by step, you can switch to quick single. This you just need to type your title here and couple of settings and you can generate your article. It's just as same as Wizard but with fewer clicks. And if you're building content in bulk, use our bulk generate option where you can create up to 100 blogs at once and even auto post them straight to WordPress. Resume writing advice takes time, but creating blogs about it doesn't have to. With autoblogging.ai, one ideas turn into a full SEO optimized article in just few minutes. And if you would rather spend your time helping your clients, then you can also try a done for you blog service where we'll handle it for you. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe and turn on notification for more AI powered blogging tips.